Hello, a volatile week for energy prices, so let's take a look at the week's actions in a bit more detail. Despite intraday volatility, Brent steadied on Monday as unrest in Iran eased, reducing the likelihood of a US attack which could impact supplies. Brent gained $0.79 per barrel on Tuesday as market participants focused on President Trump's push to acquire Greenland. A temporary suspension to output at an oil field in Kazakhstan further supported prices. On Wednesday, market participants looked beyond the short-term supply disruption from Kazakhstan and focused on the growing inventory data. The weekly EIA report showed an increase in US commercial crude of 3.4 million barrels. Brent fell $0.54 per barrel on Thursday as President Trump's threats against Iran and Greenland softened. Last night, front-month Brent closed at $64.38 per barrel, which is down $0.11 compared to last Friday. Contracts fell on Monday, largely removing the gains from last Friday's session. Prices fell as temperature forecasts were revised upwards. Despite an increase in LNG supplies into the UK, all contracts rose on Tuesday, fuelled by wider geopolitical tensions. All contracts rose on Wednesday, with the biggest movement being seen on the prompt and near-term contracts. Unplanned outages at a number of Norwegian facilities, an increase in storage withdrawals and fund positioning all contributed to the gains. Front-month February gained 13.5 pence per therm day on day. After a volatile day's trading, most contracts closed on Thursday lower day on day. The downward movement later in the session came from revised weather forecasts, reducing demand forecasts. Last night, all curve contracts closed higher compared to last Friday. February 25 gained 2.5 pence per therm, while summer 26 gained 0.9 pence per therm. Power prices tracked gas downwards on Monday and were pressured further by weaker carbon. Prices ignored the movement of gas on Tuesday and most contracts eased, taking direction from bearish fundamentals. Bullish gas and carbon supported prices on Wednesday and all contracts rose. All contracts fell on Thursday, largely taking direction from weaker gas. So last night, most curve contracts closed lower compared to last Friday. Summer 26 lost £0.2 per megawatt hour and summer 27 lost £0.35 per megawatt hour. You can download the full version of this market report from our website. Thank you for watching. See you next week.